I've been seeing it everywhere. So today we're making a lemon olive oil cake. Grease your spring form pan. Moment of truth. The batter is apparently liquidy, so you're supposed to wrap the outside with foil. I think that's okay. Time will tell. Obviously, we're gonna need some olive oil. You'll need 1 cup. And then 3 eggs. And then 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. I always add a little bit less. Ew, it looks good. Add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then you'll need the zest of 3 lemons. These babies are Myers, so they should be great. Can't waste any. And we'll need the juice. We need at least 1/2 cup. I used all 3 lemons. Now we're getting to the dry ingredients, and it says to sift. Hey Siri, how important is it to sift flour for an olive oil cake?
Here's what I found.
Inconclusive. It says it gets softer if we sift, so we're sifting. 2 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. I used kosher salt and it didn't really sift, so. The last ingredient is milk, whole milk. 1 1/4 cups. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk. Try not to overmix, it says. Now it goes into our prepared pan. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sugar on top. Bake for 50 minutes. I let it cool for 10 minutes. Ooh. Ta-da! Whoa! I'm not really sure how you get the bottom off. Oh, we're cracking. We got it. Kind of. Let it fully cool. Pretty good.